what is up, broskies? Welcome to... Ay, wait. Teka lang. Maling channel pala. This is Straight from the Expert, and I am Raco Ruiz. It is a special episode today because I will be sharing with you how you can start getting into content creation and hopefully turn it into a lucrative career. Online careers are very in demand these days. So whether you're an aspiring vlogger, TikTokerist, social media influencer, or entrepreneur, mastering the art of content creation and learning how to sell products online is essential if you want to make your mark in the digital world. Watch this video and learn tips and tricks from a content creator, that's me, on how you can turn your passion into a career. Ano tara, pare G? So, content creation. I actually started making content a long time ago, as in I would borrow my dad's camcorder pa. Tapos nung high school, I would use a digicam. Pero ngayon, when you're making content, all you need is a cell phone and a ring light, and that's already content. What matters is your idea. As it all started, I made one skit, one parody konyo content that parodied me and my friends. And then, after that, people just kept commenting, more kuya, more konyo content. And now, from one skit that I didn't plan on making more of, I have 100 plus konyo skits online. Just have an idea that you think your friends will find funny, and who knows, everyone else in the country might find it funny, diba? And when it comes to equipment, you don't really need a lot of things, and that depends on what type of content creator you are, syempre. Some people need lights, cameras, all that stuff. Pero sa akin, ring light talaga, and cell phone, and laptop para may nakabukas na script nearby that I can look at for my ideas. Yan, and syempre, if you're like a content creator that likes making skits like me, and you play all of the characters yourself, it helps to have many outfits ready so that you can get into the headspace of the character. So when it comes to the technicals, here are a few frequently asked questions. What do I use to edit? Now, you can edit on your phone on the apps mismo, pero ako, mas comfortable ako editing on my computer because like the phone screen is so tiny. Pero kung sanay ka mag-edit sa phone, okay lang yan. There are no rules that apply to everybody. If you're starting out, I suggest you post at least twice a week or 3 times a week. That way you can build up a library. Is there a prime time to post? And in my opinion, kailan ba nasa bahay lang yung audience ko at walang ginagawa at walang ibang pinapanood? And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, or I've all been waiting for. Drum roll! You know? Alam ko mali yung grammar na yun, joke lang kasi yun. And the content I'm gonna shoot is a typical konyo skit. And in my konyo skits, I have different characters. So what I like to do is, I shoot one character first, lahat ng lines niya. And then in costume number 2, I switch characters, and then I put it together on my laptop where I edit. And now let's start with the content creation. So I have my laptop here para the script I wrote is in view kasi hindi ko naman memorize script ko parate at I don't improvise my scripts. But if you do that, you do you. My content is usually 40 seconds kasi personally, yun yung mga pinapanood ko na content. Mga 30 to 40 seconds din. So that's what I like to make my content like also. I want to have more fun with it and wear different outfits and even change my voice. So minsan, medyo nasal yung boses ko at minsan medyo mas mababa, mas pa-cool. Just so I can really make different characters all appear like they're different people in one skit. All I need is my red hoodie and my black hoodie. Ano G, let's shoot this TikTok na bros. Legit. So after I record on my phone, I just airdrop it to my laptop para I can edit from my laptop. Now it looks like 2 different people talking to each other kasi may batuhan na. After that, you can add some sound effects too if you want to. If you're the type to add like laughing tracks, pwede rin. And then after that, just export on your laptop and then send it to your phone and post. And boom, you have content. And syempre, one of the good parts about being a content creator these days is you can have fun doing it and earn money as well. Now, it depends on the platform you're posting on. Some platforms will pay you for the views you get. For example, your content gets millions of views, may bayad din yun na mapupunta sa'yo. And another way you can earn money with content is product placements or brand deals. Personally, mas doon ako nag-depend kasi I don't wanna rely on views too much kasi nakaka-pressure yun masyado. So more of like, if a brand wants to be featured in your content, that's another way to earn money. And lastly, the most important part about being a content creator is you shouldn't lose focus on the main objective, which is having fun and spreading good energy. Because if you're just gonna make content spreading negative things, negative energy, ba't mo pa ginagawa yun? Ang dami na negative sa mundo. Daragdag ka pa. Kaya, good vibes. Let's spread good vibes here. So ano tara, G, let's watch the content we made together using the tips and tricks we just discussed here on Straight from the Expert. See you in part 2.
Kamusta naman the vibes and kitsunes today, pare? Not so skibbity chong. Hey yo, no level 10 yats ba? We can like parang Riz up in here, gagi. Dames, wala nang baddies dito, chong. Fur. Like parang what the sigma, gagi? Like parang L's in the chat, pare.
Hey yo, what are you little broskies talking about, huh? Anita Max win ba yan, gagi?
Anita Max, wala That's like parang so laos na dito, Mike. Dito, Mike, you have negative Riz, pare. Deadass, broski.
Yo, what are our nephews talking about, pare?